Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we'll clearly understand how to control LED or any electric appliances through voice command. It's very easy and we are going to demonstrate it with an LED right now. And further, what you need to have is you need to install Arduino voice control app that is available in Play Store in your mobile. Do that, and this is the app that you need to search for in the Play Store. I have highlighted the name of it as well right now. You can see that Arduino voice control. That's all. You need to use that in your Android phone. The same version is available for iOS as well, and you can install it there. Now, what do? We are going to control the LED through voice. I'm going to say switch on, and the LED will be switched on. I'm going to say switch off, the LED will be switched off. And all these are done through voice commands. For that, we need Arduino Uno, we need HC05 Bluetooth module, and most importantly, we need the LED. How are the connections to be done? Very simple. We have the HC05 module here. Connect the RX of the HC05 to the TX of Arduino. Connect the TX of the HC05 to RX of the Arduino. That's it. And then you need to go ahead with VCC to properly VCC with the board, and then ground to ground to be shorted for the HC05 board. Similarly, I have an LED which is going to serve as an indicator for us, and ground of the LED to be properly grounded, and here we need to give the supply as well. That's it. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you the code right now as well as the demo with which you can understand how exactly we can do it with ease. And this is real simple, and I hope you definitely like it. Right, let's get into the code right away. The code is very simple, and we have configured the LED as pin number 3, which means we are connecting LED to the pin number 3. That's what I have shown you in the diagram sometime back. And we need a string to accept the command. The command has to be received, right? Switch on is the command. So it has to be received, and we need to have a string for it. And as usual, we need setup and loop. Inside the setup, I have set the baud rate as 9600, where the pin mode LED has been set up as the output pin, and initially the LED has been set as off. With digital write LED low, we can set it as off, and that's what I have done. And when you go into the loop, we are going to read the string, and that's done through read string option. And if the command is switch on, then we need to make the LED glow, and if the command is switch off, we need to make the LED go off. Let's go ahead and run it, and I'll also show you the demo right now and how exactly it works. The code is very simple, as you have seen right now. Now let's have the connections like this. The same connection diagram as I have shown you, you need to have it in your board, and it's pretty simple. You can see that the HC05 is blinking at a faster rate, intimating that it is not paired with anything. The moment you upload your code and then you start the pairing work, it will pair and the flickering rate will go slow. That is an intimation for you to understand that the pairing has been done. Now there is no pairing done, and what we are going to do now is we are going to go with the upload of this code. Control U is the command for uploading, I mean the shortcut for uploading. Once you can see that it's compiling and uploading symbol comes, but nothing will be uploaded right now because you have connected the RX and the TX pins to the Arduino from the Bluetooth. It won't work that way. So the easiest way to do it is remove the RX and TX before you upload it, and you can see that it will keep waiting for uploading status only for a longer time. So you remove it right now and try uploading. It will upload, and then you connect it back. That's the key that you need to do, and I'm going to remove it right now. I have just removed it, and you can see that I'm removing it quickly. And now if I try uploading Control U, it will be uploaded within seconds, and you could see the result, and it's uploading. Done uploading. That's all. It's all done. Now what we can do is we can reconnect the TX and RX, and now we can see our app. We have already installed this app. Just open the app. Arduino voice control is the name of the app. Open it, and the moment you open it, you need to enable the Bluetooth as well, because the entire operation is happening through Bluetooth. And you can see that it will start searching for the devices nearby, and Samsung TV is listed, and then the next device that I have is going to be listed. And once it is listed, you can pair with it, and that's like a traditional pairing work that we do. Once you pair it, that's all. It's all done. Now my device is listed. I'm going to pair it, and I need to type the pin. 1 2 3 4 is the pin that I've kept, and I'm typing it right now. So once it is done, that's all. My work is very simple and easy. After that, I'll get a window where you can see that there is a mic button available. But initially the status is disconnected. As you can see there, you can see that the status is disconnected. So I need to connect it. Selecting the button will help me in identifying what are all the components available. Click it, it will be connected right now, and you can see that the status is connected. And now press the voice button. You can press the mic button there and give the command. I'm going to press it right now. Let me press it, saying switch on. Switch on. That's all I conveyed it. And you can see that the LED is brightly glowing. Now I'm going to give the command switch off. Switch off. That's all, it's off. I hope you liked the session and it was very interesting. You try it out in your machine and it's pretty easy. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it. Thank you very much for following my channel, the content. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be able to help you. And if you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.